Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have another party tip for you. Now this one is about park parties. People do a lot of parties in parks and I want to let you know that I've put together an entire blog with a whole checklist of things that you should check out if you are going to do a park party. In fact, I have my clipboard here and I'm going to go over with these points with you right now. So here's the deal, the main deal with a park party. If you're going to be in a park and it's not a park that you're familiar with, make sure you go and check that park out a couple times. Here's the things that you're going to be looking for. Does it get super sunny and hot? Does it get windy? Does it get overrun by preschools and other programs? Now, are there safety concerns? Like, is there a water facility there that you have to be careful of with little ones? Is there a playground that might be a little rickety? There are things that you want to make sure that you check out. Those are very, very important. Are there bathrooms? And if so, are they close by? Are there amenities such as tables and chairs, or do you have to bring in your own? Are you allowed to bring in your own? Are there barbecues? Are there garbage cans? Play structures are always an important thing because it gives you something to do. Are there play structures, or is it just an open field? Or is there a wooded area that you can go into? Do you need a permit? That is something that is very, very important. Or is it first come, first serve? And if it is first come, first serve, check it out to see, do people get there at 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning? You need to know these things because you don't want to show up at 11 o'clock and you've told everybody, hey, I'm going to have a party at 11:30, and you get there and there's no place to sit because everybody's been camped out since 6 o'clock. Are there any rules about decorations, balloons, water balloons, bounce houses? You need to ask those questions, especially if you need a permit. And if you need a permit, how much does the permit cost? Is the permit for a certain amount of time, or is it for all day? Every park has its own rules, and you've got to make sure that you check them out. Is there electricity? Is there running water? Are you allowed to have food trucks? Are you allowed to bring in catered food? Are you expected to take your garbage away, or is there a dumpster for you to place your garbage in? And then there's always tablecloths, and they always want to blow away even if there isn't that much wind. So make sure you check out my tablecloth video, which there'll be a link in down below. For more great tips, check us out, sophie-world.com, and make sure you check out the link down below because all of these things that I've talked about for the park party are going to be in a nice big checklist so you can just check them off and write them down. For more great things, check us out, sophie-world.com.